Alright, so we're outside now, trying to clean up after the storm. There's Dad out there with the snowblower. I'm shoveling a little bit. There's my car, completely buried. We have over 10 inches of snow right now, and it's still snowing. But we figured we might as well get out here and start shoveling, or we'll be buried for who knows how long, the rest of the day at this rate. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Once I'm done shoveling out here and getting dried up again, I'm gonna go inside and put this on Facebook so you guys can see what a lovely snow we had here up in Schoharie. You can see our little birdhouse is completely buried. And a shot of the trees. Very pretty to look at, but as you know, not that fun to shovel. So let me show you real quick with my ruler how deep it is. Okay, see, it goes right down about 10 inches right there. So we've got quite the snow. Hopefully you guys all have a good day, and whatever you do, if you got to drive anywhere, be safe. Hope you all have a good weekend. Take care now. This is Matt signing out.